Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what these are some power strips from the Baseus brand. And see right here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. And for both of these are basically the same exact thing. One of them is black and one of them is white. And if you guys turn aside, they do probably have some specs and feature about the product. So they mention how it does have the GaN technology, it has a smart touch control, it has 40 watts high power on here when you guys use it. It definitely has the protection built in when you guys do use it, such as overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. So first I'm going to open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first the inside they do provide some stickers and they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right underneath that, you can see we do have the actual product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So in this side right here, you can see we do have the plug. And on the back, they do have the brand logo. And then right here, we do have the product. So you can see the way how the design is actually pretty cool. This side right here has a 2-prong option. Right here, we do have 3-prong option. And this side right here, we do have 3-prong option as well. Right here on top, we do have the button for you to turn it off and turn it on. And if you guys turn on this side, you can see we do have 2 USB-C option and 1 USB option. I believe for all these outlets, it definitely has like the power delivery option and a quick charge option to give you guys a faster charging speed when you guys do use it. And right here in the back, they do provide the specs and feature about the product in terms of output and input. And I love the fact that how they do give you guys a strap option to organize the cable when you guys are done using it. So that is basically what the first one looks like, which is white color. Now let me show you the black one. So let's open the black one. That's what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, they basically provide guys the same exact stuff inside in terms of sticker, the warranty card, and the user manual. And right here we do have the product. So let's do take it out. Take out the wrapper. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here, we see we do have the plug. The back part, we do have the brand name. Right here, we also have the strap option to organize the cable. And this side right here, we do have different plug outlet. So there's a 2 option, the 3 option, the 3 option right here, the power button on top. And this side right here, we do have the USB-C option and the USB option like I mentioned earlier for the other one. And obviously, if the first time using the product, you do want to remove the film. Same thing for the white one. But once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the product looks like for both of them. If you guys notice for the product is not that big, it's actually pretty small. So that way, if you guys want to bring it along when you guys are traveling or something, you definitely have the option available. And the reason why it's so small is because it does have the GaN technology built in. So that is basically what the product looks like. Now let's test it out to show you guys how it works. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove the film. Same thing for the side as well. That way you can get a better view of what the product looks like. And top right here is another film, so I want to remove that as well. So once you guys do take it all off, this is what the product looks like. So we do have the brand logo here. Here we do have the button for it to turn it on and off. 2-prong option, 3-prong option, 3-prong option. And this side right here, we do have the different outlet. So now let's plug in cable to show you guys what actually works. So I'm gonna take this part out, unstrap it. So you can see for the length of the cable, it is pretty long. I think this cable is around like 4 or 5 feet or somewhere around that range. But if you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, if you guys turn it on, you can see how the light does turn on, and that is basically how you guys know when the product is ready to start using it. And I mentioned for the indicator light that's on here, when you guys look at it, there's 3 different colors. If you guys see a solid blue color, that means on. If you guys see a slow pulse option, that means the product is using a high power output. If you guys see a quick pulse option, that means the product is on the auto off option or the overload protection. So now let's plug in some stuff to show you guys what actually works. So right here, I do have my power bank that also works as wall charger from the Anchor brand. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, eventually it does work. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use this outlet or this outlet or this outlet at the same time, feel free to do so. And also if you guys want to use it at the same time, you definitely can. So I'll plug in the cable right here to show you guys what actually works. So right here, I do have my USB-C to lightning cable. If you guys do plug it in, on the other side, we'll plug it onto a phone. And see it does work. So I'm currently charging a phone and it's charging a power bank at the same time. And if you guys do use the USB option, let's see what actually works. So right here, I do have my USB cable. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, eventually it does work as well. So really cool how it does give you guys the option to charge multiple devices at the same time if you guys do want to. If you guys do use both of the USB-C option at the same time, the max output is 40 watts. But if you guys use a regular AC option, then that should be fine. And then once you guys are done using it, or if you guys want to turn it off, you do have the option to unplug the cable, or you guys can press this button, and that will turn it off. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want these warranties, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality power strip that's super lightweight and super compact for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling, using at home, using office or anywhere else. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.